Steve here, ShenRC. I'm with the Doomsday Blizzard. This is right after the snowstorm. I'm gonna give it a run in the backyard here because I can't get nowhere else. It's deep as hell. I made this little bridge here to see if I could get across from there and over there, but we'll have to see how it works. Let's get to it. Wish me luck, guys. Oh my god. This is the only thing that'll work on the snow. I could drive right around. I have a pond here with the waterfalls. Look at that. That's that big rock I broke my clod buster on, my bullhead. We go right up. See if I can hit this jump here. Take a drop in. This is on 2S. Could go anywhere now because the snow's so deep. Oh, into the fence there. Let's see if I could get across here. Oh, it sunk, but I made it. Oh, that was cool. We got plastered here with snow. If I could get across this bridge again. Whoa. This is about the only RC that could go in this snow. Nothing else will go. Mighty Kyosho Blizzard's the king when it comes to snow. And I don't want to get stuck in here because I'll have to go in this and it's pretty deep. Oh! See if we can do some burnouts here. Right now I have this steering. If I turn, only barely one track moves because I don't want it to spin too quick. then it gets out of control. Uh-oh. Hope I can get out. Come on, Blizzard. Alright. See if I could get over here. Do a nice dropping. I wonder if I could get down there. This is my rock crawling wall. I'm gonna see if I could get down there. Whoa. Let's see if I could get back up. That's the thing I want to see. Yep, good old Blizzard. Oh my. I think I'm gonna get stuck here, guys. Yep. Ugh. Lucky I have this path here. And this stuff is soft, sinking right in. Let me clean the body off a little bit. You can see that cool looking body while it's going. It's all caked up. Ugh. Holy crap. Oh, dang. Blizzard's a beauty, I'll tell you. Nothing could stop the blizzard. Except for me driving in the wrong spot. Let me clean it up again. Oh, my hands are frozen. Oh, there we go. Oh, I'm sunk. I think I need more reverse speed. There we go. Let's see if we can get over this here. Whoa, look at it bending. Nice drift here. Woohoo! Look at it go! Look at that beauty again. Don't want to run it on 3S because the backyard's not big enough. Thing's a beast. Oh. I almost lost it. Check something on my steering here. It's working good. Alright guys, I just want to take this beauty out in this big snowstorm we had. It's crazy, we got so much snow. If you like the blizzard, or should I say the doomsday blizzard, leave me a thumbs up. Hit that bell so you don't miss future videos. And I just fell down into the bridge. Guys, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. I'll see you next time. Shen RC out.